Acholi, the brave warriors of northern Uganda. Welcome to the land of Acholi people, northern Uganda's cradle of courage, resilience, and rich history. In this video, we dive deep into the legacy of the Acholi brave warriors, exploring their roots, culture, and enduring spirits. The Acholi people have always been known for their warrior spirit. Historically, they lived in a structured society led by chiefs or rodi who were both leaders and protectors. Acholi warriors were combat archery and tactical warfare, defending their people from external threats and fighting to maintain their independence. Bravery among the Acholi wasn't about physical strength. It was deeply rooted in their culture and spirituality. Warriors believed they were guided by ancestral spirits, and their actions were seen as protecting the community's honor and legacy. Courage was celebrated through songs, dances, and storytelling, ensuring that each generation embraced the warrior ethos. Even in modern times, the Acholi people's bravery is evident from their resilience during times of conflict, such as during the Lord Resistance Army insurgency, to their role in fostering peace and reconciliation. The Acholi continue to inspire. Their courage is no longer just on the battlefield, but in rebuilding their communities and preservation of their culture. The Acholi warrior spirit is a story of resilience, community, and cultural pride. It's a reminder that true bravery comes not just from the battlefield, but from the strength to overcome challenges and build better future. The Acholi people have shown us the bravery is timeless. What inspires you about the Acholi warrior legacy? Share your thoughts in this comment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.